Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Colin here. My dad's asked me to make a video on his behalf. He is actually out at a refinery right now. During COVID, he's screening people as they come into the refinery to make sure others don't get infected. So he hopes to be back home very soon. Unfortunately, this week it looks like he's out of content. He is trying his best to get back as soon as possible. It's been pushed out a couple of times. So as soon as he can, he'll be back here making videos for you. He's got a couple of pretty awesome projects in the making for you guys. He's got some plans drafted up, ready to go, so he can get rocking and rolling as soon as he gets back. Until next time, take care.